Let's see how to automate Amazon scraping in 5 minutes without any coding. First, you need to have DataKund installed on your Windows. Let's see how to download and install DataKund. Open datakund.com. Now go on Download and click on Download for Windows. Downloading is finished. Now let's quickly install. DataKund is starting in few seconds. It will open login page. Now log in with Google account to continue. It will open a new browser window with DK extension. You will find extension on top right corner under plugin. Click on it and just pin it over. Now let's train the bot to automate Amazon scraping. First, create a new bot. Click DK extension and type Amazon ad scraper and click create a new bot. Now click create. New bot is made. Now, open Amazon website so we can start training the bot. Before training the bot, let's add output variables: title, price and rating. Now click save. Now to record the training, go back and click record. Now reload the Amazon page, so that URL gets recorded. Now in the search bar, type a keyword, like shoes, and click enter. You can see, all events are added. Now click Alt and P in your keyboard, to begin repeat action. You can see, begin event is added. Now, we will train the bot for scraping. Left click on the text, now click DataKund, now click scrape, then text, and then title. Left click on the ratings, now click DataKund, now click scrape, then text, and then ratings. Left click on the price, now click DataKund, now click scrape, then text, and then price. You can see, all events are added, and we completed training our bot. Now, let's see how our bot runs. Click Run. Wait for the bot to load. Now click Run Google Sheets. Wait for the bot to scrape the data from Amazon website. Wait for Sheets to load. Now, click Open Sheets. Now, to see the output, click Output at the bottom of the sheet. You can see, our bot successfully scraped all the data.